came here as a bit of a stopgap. I was originally a teaching assistant, was told probably I'd last 6 months, factory life's not for me, and I'm still here 8 years later. So I walked in, and from the outside looking in, it looks like quite a small site, but you get inside, it's probably easy to get lost. So take your time, learn kind of how the process works. Don't be afraid if you do something wrong. We all make mistakes, and I think that's another good thing from site, that if you make the mistake and you highlight it as quick as possible, we resolve it. We work with a servant leadership mentality. So on a morning, you've got this no-fly zone where all the leadership team are out there supporting, and I don't think you'd be able to walk around there, apart from maybe the factory general manager having a shirt on, you wouldn't be able to tell if they were a packer or an operator or the factory general manager. It's very hands-on, and it's everybody working together. We've got that one team. Our FGM, he started as a packer and a bag and tech, and he's now running the site. But I suppose in the management role, you're not a manager all the time. So yes, you're there if you need to step in, but 90% of the time, you're just giving them, the line structure teams, the control, and they're rolling with it. They might ask us to go in and offer support. They might pull on us when we cover people in sickness and holidays. But there's a real team mentality. And again, going back to the other question, you wouldn't know who's a manager and not a manager most of the time. There is that fine line where you need to step into that manager cap on, and this is what I need to do. But again, we've got the structure in place to do that. We're continuously growing. We've seen a lot of internal development. There's different roles, and probably some that we've got some examples at site where, I never thought I'd go into engineering, and I've ended up in engineering and I had a lifetime career out of. I didn't see myself in this role. Initially, it didn't exist. And then these opportunities arise. I would definitely recommend KP. Again, I came here as a stopgap. I'm still here. I'm wanting to progress still within the company. I think it's a great place.